This video is living proof that the Quran is not just a book, it's the divine word of Allah, and Islam is the path of truth and light. What you're about to see is not just nature, it's a sign from Allah, a miracle in plain sight. When I look at Allah's unaware servants today, sometimes I feel like laughing, and sometimes I want to cry. Because in the old times, people used to worship things outside of themselves. The sun, the moon, fire, even stones. But now, in this 21st century, modern man has made a god within himself. They no longer bow to idols. Now they bow to their own mind. Their so-called subconscious. They say, the subconscious mind can manifest anything. Just repeat affirmations, and the universe will respond. You say, I am rich. You say, I am healthy. You say, I am happy. And modern servants of Allah, with all their books and spiritual theories, say, if this message reaches your subconscious, your life will change. What rubbish, what illusion. You're telling the creation to bless you, while ignoring the Creator who owns every blessing. They try to justify it. They say, but if there's no power in the subconscious, why do we still see changes happen? Tell them, even when your belief is wrong, Allah still gives. Because Allah says, I deal with my servant according to his expectation of me. So yes, sometimes he gives, even when your faith is misplaced. Not because of your mind, but because of his mercy. But don't be fooled. This doesn't mean the subconscious has power. It means Allah is more generous than we deserve, even when we get it wrong. So, O people of Allah, become true servants of Allah. Don't oppress your own soul with false beliefs. Don't replace the Creator with his creation, because there will be a day of judgment. And on that day, you will regret every time you turned to anything other than him. Every time you trusted your mind more than your master. Subconscious is not God. It's just a tool. And Allah is the one who made it, who controls it, who gives life, and who takes it away. So try this instead. Allah has made me rich. Allah has healed me. Allah has filled my heart with peace. Don't speak to your subconscious. Speak to Allah. Let your heart believe you are not programming your mind. You are calling upon your Lord. Affirmations don't bring miracles. Tawakkul does. Yaqeen does. Allah's mercy does. So stop worshipping the tool. Stop glorifying the system. And return to the one who created all systems. Allah, O servant of Allah, come back. Come back to the one who listens when no one else does. Come back to the one who gives without limit. Come back to Allah.